Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and complete product review of this. This is FASCIAL massage gun. Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video and please don't forget to subscribe. This is a device that may help overcome muscle soreness, relieve body fatigue, combat stiffness, and spasm. It is a massage at the comfort of your fingertips. Can be used at home, gym, and office. I got this from a friend and high school classmate, high school seatmate Mia of BAM's online store. This is where you can find them. Please check them out for more cool items. So let's unbox and see what's inside. Inside the box are the manual, the massage gun, four massage heads, the flat head, the round ball, the U shape, the cylinder, and lastly, the charger. Before using it, let's charge it first. Charging time is 2 hours for a 2-hour length of use. Charging is ready. Now let's try this out. This massage gun is not complicated to use. It has a one-key operation, no other key to press, no other knob to turn, but just one key. One key to press to turn on, one key to press to switch speed control. It has 6 speed control, which you will see on the gear display on top. And one key to turn off. Or you can also do a long press to turn off. How to attach massage heads? Just insert and twist. So that's about it, the FASCIAL massage gun. If you have any questions, suggestion, call-up, or product feature, please comment down below or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye!